Good morning, everybody. I am your friend Rahul from WhatsEra.com. So today we will discuss about the WAO Lead Scraper, like how you can scrape the database of your target audience. So this is a desktop-based tool, the WAO Lead Scraper. You can see right now it's open, and this is the shortcut of the tool. So you can easily directly open it. After open, in the right side of top, you can see the account and you can log in. And in the near, you can see the expiry date of your tool. So in the left side, we have given all the platform like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Gmail, and the other. So I'll also explain the other means a platform which we haven't given in this tool, and like Twitter, Sign, Naukri, Need, something like that, and they have a public database, and you want to scrap from them, so you can easily scrap it from the other section as well. So right now for the demo trial, I'll show you in the Facebook option. So when I go to the Facebook platform, you can see this campaign which I already have run. For running a new campaign, I have to click on new campaign. Then first I have to name the campaign. So I'm adding test for something, any kind of name you can give it, but make sure not any numerical or any special character. Then Facebook is already selected. Now we have to add the keyword, which is right now for the trial, I'm adding a doctor, a keyword. And the best thing about this tool that you can easily scrap database from any country, from anywhere, from any location. So for the demo trial, you can add any keyword, and you can also scrap from B2B and from B2C. For B2B, make sure you have to add a B2B keyword, and for B2C, you have to add a B2C keyword. Like sometimes like nobody will add, like I want a product, nobody will mention in their profile. So you have to think about your target audience, then you can scrap it. So I have mentioned doctors in Mumbai because I want only from Mumbai. Then you can scrap from any country. So I'm selecting India, and for the demo trial I'm adding 10 pages. You can add as much as you want. So after getting campaign, yeah, you can see it's created, and right now this is in a draft status. So same thing for the starting, you have to click on three dot and start. So now no need to do anything, it will automatically scrap the database from Facebook with the help of Google Chrome. So now you can see it's scrapping. So it will take basically it's working too fast. So in a single second it's scraping a single page, so you will get a lots of database in some time. So after scraping, it will automatically close the Chrome. Then simply you have to click on controller, refresh the page. After refreshing, you can see it's completed, and total 99 data it has scrapped. So for the downloading, simply click on three dot and download, and save the file where you want to save it. So after saving it, I'm open the file, so you can easily check it, like how the database it's come and what it's scraping. So here it is, my file test, and you can see the mobile number, their profile title, their profile description, their email, and their profile link. In case if you want to visit, you want to check their profile, so we'll provide you a link as well, so you can easily check their profile. So in the first column you can see the mobile number, then the title, you will check like who is he, and or who is she, something, so you can easily check it. So for as the same way, you can scrap from LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Gmail. And for the demo trial, I will also explain you about the other section. Suppose I want to scrap the database from Twitter as well, but you can see we haven't given Twitter in it because there's a lots of platform for social media. There's lots of platforms, so we can't give all the platforms. So you can go to the other section and you can easily scrap from them. So suppose test for Twitter is my it's my campaign name, and doctor is my keyword, country which is India. And for the demo trial, I'm adding 5 pages, which because it's working so you can easily check it like how it's working or not. Then simply add the URL here, which is https://twitter.com. This is the URL. Simply click on the same thing, you have to do it, and now you can see it's scraping from from Twitter as well. So the same way, you can scrap it from any public website who has public database and who has single layer database. So you can scrap from them, and all the platform which we have given, so from them also you can scrap it. But make sure when you're trying to scrap a B2C database, so for scrapping that, you have to mention, you have to think about your target audience, like what they have the interest, then you can scrap it. So now you can see this is a Twitter file in which you can see the database from Twitter, their profile link, and the same thing, the description, the email address, and everything. You can scrap it, and you can upload the same Excel sheet in my WhatsEra platform for shooting the WhatsApp message on this database. So you can also use our WhatsApp marketing tool for running the WhatsApp messages on this database. So I hope you like the video. We'll meet in the next video.